How to send Bitcoin from Cash App. Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to send Bitcoin using the Cash App. Whether you want to send Bitcoin to a friend or another wallet, I'll guide you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First, open the Cash App on your mobile device and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one and verify your identity before proceeding. Once you're logged in, tap on the Bitcoin icon, which looks like a little Bitcoin symbol in the bottom menu. This will take you to the Bitcoin section of the app where you can view your Bitcoin balance and transactions. In the Bitcoin section, tap on the Send button. This will prompt you to enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. You can either enter a specific amount or tap the Amount button to choose from available balances. Next, you'll need to enter the recipient's Bitcoin address. You can do this by scanning their QR code or manually entering the Bitcoin wallet address. Double check the address to ensure it's correct, as transactions cannot be reversed. After entering the recipient's address and amount, tap on Confirm. Cash App will show you a summary of the transaction, including the fees associated with sending Bitcoin. Review the details, and if everything looks good, send to complete the transaction. You'll receive a notification confirming that your Bitcoin has been sent. You can track the transaction status in the Bitcoin section of the app, and it may take a little while for the transaction to be processed on the Bitcoin network. And that's how to send Bitcoin from Cash App. It's a straightforward process that lets you quickly transfer Bitcoin to everyone. Thanks for watching.